Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can update the drivers on your Windows 10. So the first step is that you have to access your device manager. While you can do that while right clicking on your My Computer or this PC and selecting from the pop-up menu, or else you can click the Start menu button and search for device manager. And once it is visible, you can click here, make it to the full screen, and here you would see that all the drivers that are installed. And now if I want to update a driver of a particular device, I can select the device and I can do the right click on the device and click update driver, and from the next window I can either select the search automatically for drivers if I want the system to automatically download the latest drivers from the internet. It will search for, and if it is updated driver, it will give you the message that the best driver for your device is already installed. Or the other option is that you can go to the properties, then click driver, from here click update driver, and then you can also select the browse from My Computer if you already have downloaded the driver from a website by typing the name of your driver and then asking and then searching on the Google to download its driver. So if that driver file is downloaded, you can right click, you can click on this, and you can from here browse that file and you can install that driver over here. Similarly, for all the different devices, the Bluetooth, the display adapter, and the sound, you can download or update their drivers with the same method which I have shown you. Going into the device manager, then selecting the individual device and then right clicking on that and clicking the update driver, and from here selecting any one of these options. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.